Just gotta be ready for that first beat. 4 zombie walks. You can do it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Step on every beat, add the head. 1, 2, 3. Do it again. 5, 6, 7. Turn to the left. 1, head down. 3, 4. Look. 5, 6, 7. Zombie claws to the front. 2, 3. Left side. 5, 6, 7. Left, right, and 1. Look. 2 and 3. Full 4. Up. 5. Look. 6, 7. Pop. 8. 1. Pop. 2, 3. Down and up. 5. Clap. 6, 7, 8. 1. Stomp. 2. Shoulders. 3. Head. 4. Clap. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Shimmy. Shuffle. Left, right, left, right, left. Now right. Now we swing. 5, 6, 7, 8. Over. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk. 1, 2, 3. Switch. 4, 5. Walk. 6, 7, 8. Switch. 1, 2. Jump. 3. Around. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fantastic job. Let's try it up to tempo. Ready? Here we go. 5, 6, 4 zombie walks. 2, 3, 4. You got it. Add the head step every beat. Do it again. 5, 6, 7. Turn to your left. 1, 2, 3. Look. 5, 6. Zombie claws. 1, 2, 3. Other way. 5, 6, 7. Left, right, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2. Down and up. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3. Clap. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Shimmy, shuffle. Left, right. Then right, left. Swing. Left, right, over. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2. Switch. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Jump. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my goodness, amazing job. Let's try without cueing.